Hello, 你好，我是 Katrina. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about until in Mandarin Chinese. So what does that mean, until? Like if you want to express until when? Until tomorrow, or until next week, until next month in Mandarin Chinese. So that is easy. It's only one word. 到. That's right. So 到, it literally means to arrive, which we learned before. For example, you could say 到北京, to arrive Beijing. But the same 到 you can express in time. For example, 到 next year. Let me give you some examples. The first example, 我今天得工作到晚上8点。我今天 I today, they have to 工作到 work until 晚上8点 8 p.m. in the evening. 我今天得工作到晚上8点 So 到 a point of time, so until when. If you want to ask people or a person, when do you finish your work today? When do you finish your work today? Or when will you finish your work today? In this structure, or use the word 到. Well, it would be 你今天工作到几点？几点？几点 means what time, right? So 你今天工作到几点？ Today you work until when? It means that what time do you finish work? But in Mandarin we say today you work until what time? Okay, 你今天工作到几点？ Okay, 你今天工作到几点？我今天工作到晚上8点。Next example, when you have a verb object verb. For example, 逛街。逛街 means shopping or window shopping. This is a verb object verb. If a boyfriend is shopping with his girlfriend for a long afternoon, for one afternoon, and the guy says that how do you say this in English? Oh, my brain just drew a blank. I'm sorry about my English. Sorry. So, in this case, Mandarin we could say 你要逛街逛到什么时候 So, 什么时候 is when. 什么时候 when. 你要 you want. 逛街 it's a verb object, right? So to go shopping, 你要逛街逛到 because this is a verb object, so you have to repeat the verb. Remember that. 你要逛街逛到什么时候 You want to shopping, shop until when. You want to shopping, shop until when, literally. So 你要逛街逛到什么时候 Okay, remember it's a verb, object verb, until when. 你要逛街逛到什么时候 But in our previous example, we use 工作, right? 工作到什么时候工作 is not a verb object, so you don't use VOV and 到 the structure. Okay, let me give you another VOV, the verb object verb, to use 到, okay? For example, if a person is watching TV, 看电视 and then the mother says that when are you going to finish watching TV? In Mandarin we would say 你要看电视看到什么时候 Okay, 你要看电视看 you repeat the verb 你要看电视看到什么时候 I want to watch TV until tomorrow. For example, if I say I want to watch TV until tomorrow, I would say 我要看电视看到明天 Okay, 我要看电视看到明天 if you answer this question. But when people answer this question because the context and the structure is given, so when you're answering this question, you can be lazier, which means that you can drop the verb object. You can say 我要看到明天我要看到明天 I want to watch until tomorrow. So I don't have to repeat 看电视 because the context is given. So when I answer this question, I just say, oh, well, 看到明天 I want to watch until tomorrow. I hope you understand how to use 到 meaning until at the point of time. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And until then, I will see you next time.